it might be a good chance to let everyone know what we've been up to and share a little bit of what we're doing lately and give everyone an update. So I'm very thankful for Southern Pacific Sand Mine that very generously offer this structure to us. So the biggest thank you I need to say is Dave, Cindy and Bob. It's a wonderful family and they've done such a good job to help me to reassemble it, and then this look amazing. So the next step is we're going to put all the tables. There's three big row of tables we're going to install. So hopefully after that everything will be above the ground and much neater and nicer for everyone to browse around. And stay tuned and let everyone know my progress in the nursery.